Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Windows Movie Maker. As stupid as that sounds, and as crappy as you think it might be, it's surprisingly really helpful. Helps me with a lot of videos actually. Always something I was working on. Right, to start off, what you need to do is obviously File, New Project, and then say you want to do video. You go to there, bit of text. My first new video. We're going to change the font, so we'll change the background to say blue or black. We're going to use black, but of course you can define your colours. Say we want green, yellow, red, purple. Yeah, we'll go green. Okay. You can also make it bold. Let's add it there. Now say you want to add a picture. Obviously you get a picture, say off Google. What the hell? Say we get a picture, say Yari will do. This guy. Save picture as desktop. Literally all you do is drag it through to Windows Movie Maker, import it, that's it. Drag it down to the timeline, and there you go. Up to now we've got my first new video. Looks like crap, doesn't look that appealing. We can go to Video Effects, ease in, and to see the difference in it now is a bit more appealing to the eye, as you can see. Also we can do the same for this, we can ease out. So let's have a look at it now. My first new video. And there's the car. Obviously we can, I wouldn't really bother with these middle bits. They're not really that important. If you're going to write text, write it there. And then let's write something stupid here. Let's change the backgrounds. Let's change it to blue this time. Blue. Actually no, that's the default colour. Let's change it into a green. There we go. We can underline it. We can italic it. Click on it again to undo it. Click on that to undo. Transparency, if you want. You can punish it to the left, middle, right. Obviously it's going to look a bit better in the middle. We can go through all different types of fonts. Times New Roman, Sergio. Some of these actually look quite funky. Let's add that too. Anything you do will always appear to the left. So you got to be careful when you do something and you work on to the right. You drag it through and move it to the right. Obviously you can edit it if you want again. Now let's make it a bit more interesting. Right, I've got some Fraps footage recorded from Dead Island, which I've got recorded here. I don't know what they're about, but I don't particularly need them. Here we go. Look, we've got this one here. This is raw Fraps footage itself. The file is massive, 4 gigabytes nearly. So we can drag it on to the timeline, and as you can see, you can't really edit it at all. So we can click on the timeline. As you can see, it's massive. So what we got to do is we got to show on it. As you can see me playing the game, and I kept dying over and over and over and over again. Alright, let's drag it down. Let's make it smaller actually, because I need to show you. And obviously this, you can make this shorter, so we can have it super quick. So we got, right, Let's go through that again. Moving out. Moving in quick. Gone. Now it's going to move on to the game footage. Let's move that out. As message just set the message best. That's going to be the best. And actually, I'm actually talk a bit in this, but we want the gameplay. So let's have a look. Here we go. There's the gameplay. We can edit from the left and work to the right. See what's there. And then when we start the timeline again, it's gonna go. Why that's higher up so the controller working. Controller's not working. Bear me a few seconds. As you can see. Right. It'll take pretty much any sort of video format. Yeah, let's drag uTorrent in. It'll take that without problems. We can make it longer. We can make it so it stays there all day, which it would do. Obviously, this button here is full screen. Looks like crap because it's not rendered. But yeah, obviously we're gonna fade in. Do that. Video effects, ease in. We've added 2 effects here. We're moving in. Now, we can add music also. Let's take some music I've got. Here we go. Click on it here to play. Pause that. Now, when you move video files, this is a I think it's an MP3. Doesn't say. It'll say AVI. See, as I said, get big. We drag the music onto the timeline. As you can see, the music itself has covered the whole thing. It's quite a long song. So we drag it down, narrow it down to where we want it. Let's stop it there. Let's start the timeline again. As you can see, the music took over that game, but that's easy to do. We can just copy it. Actually, we'll get that track in. It'll all disappear every time you put a new track in, but that's fine. So you put that there. We don't want it to cover the game, so we break it down. Bring Bloodstorm back. Move this back. So both here. And then when we start it again, it shouldn't be so a bit more interesting. Why the hell isn't the controller working? That's me talking from not working last time. Just ignore that. Few seconds. And that's it. That's that done. So we've made a little mini movie. Also, we can import video, which is the same thing as the Fraps file. Right. And then what we're going to do now is to an ending. Title and credits. Titles at the end. Made by John. Change the colour to that disgusting off brownie thing, and we'll put the text as yellow. See, it looks like poop. And obviously, if you start it here, video, but there's audio. We don't want it like that. We want it to fit the audio. Drag it back. And there you go, it's done. Now let's play it now. Wait a few seconds. And there you go. That's pretty much how to use it. For this stupid little program, it surprisingly does a lot. As I said, you can undo things if you want, but we don't want to. We want it the way it was seen. Now let's render it so we can put it on YouTube. Obviously save it as first in case your computer crashes. Let's save it as my first movie. Save that to my videos. Now let's publish it. Save movie file. My computer. Keep it like that. This is the destination where you want it to be saved. Obviously desktop. That's where I send it. It'll be on best quality. Recommend. Don't use that because it'll put on the crappiest settings going. Go to other settings and narrow to the best one that you can use. Do not ever put it on that. That's the awfulest picture ever. That's quite. These work quite well. But let's try a high quality video PAL next day. Now it's rendering the movie, and as you see, it bobbed up on the thing there. Obviously I can't play it until it's done, but it'll be done in a few seconds. There we go, it's done. Give me a few seconds. And there you go. That's how you make a movie in Windows Movie Maker without so much hassle. This is a video format that can be used for YouTube, and it's not that big. 2 meg for all that. That's not bad. But if you want to be real smart ass, what you can do. Say we open Sony Vegas. This is a bit more complex to use. Even I don't know how to use this properly. Well, not all the features anyway. If you want to make it into HD, drag it on the timeline. Obviously you want a full screen so it fits the whole screen on YouTube, so there's no black lines or boxes. 16.9. Click the X. Now save as first, whatever you want to save it as, blah blah blah. My documents. Render as. Send that to the desktop actually. Rendered. Let's put it on 1080p. Yeah, leave that the way it is. Bitrate fine. Project best. Now let's render it to the desktop. As you can see, looks really, really good here. And obviously this video I'm working on now was done in Movie Maker, and it is getting rendered in Sony Vegas, so it looks better. Right. And basically when it's done, I'm not going to leave it to finish because it might take a little while, is it's appeared there. And the file size is going to get bigger, obviously 5 meg. Once that's done, you can upload it to YouTube and you can use it. Full screen without boxes. Right. Alright. Thanks for watching and see you later.